In 1815, a volcano erupted with unimaginable force, spewing ash across the globe. This was Mount Tambora, the largest volcanic eruption in recorded history, and it changed the world forever. The eruption triggered what became known as the year without a summer. Crops failed, temperatures plummeted, and famine spread across continents. But how did one volcano have such a massive impact on humanity? What lessons can we learn from the eruption of Mount Tambora? Join Geolapis as we uncover the hidden connection between geology and human history. Hit subscribe for more earth-shattering discoveries.